In this video, we're going to see how to download and upload configurations in our TAPCON 230 Basic using the Web HMI interface. To begin, from the Web interface, we go to the Settings tab. First, let's look at how to import a configuration into the device. For that, we go to the window called Import. Here, we can select a previously saved file that contains a prepared configuration which we want to load into the TAPCON. We simply choose the file from our computer and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the import process. This starts the process of loading the file into the system. And to finalize this process, it's necessary to restart the device, which takes a few minutes, but we'll fast forward it here for the sake of the video. So, we click Start Update, and the configuration update process begins, showing the following screen. As I mentioned, we'll speed up the video at this point, but keep in mind that in practice, this process takes around 5 minutes. Alright, the TAPCON is almost done restarting. Once finished, we disconnect and reconnect the Ethernet cable and reload the web interface, where we'll see the following message. The device has been updated successfully. In practice, this process is quite slow, so it's generally recommended to make changes online, while always keeping a backup file in case you need to restore the previous configuration. Now, to export a configuration, we go to the Export window in Settings. In this window, the device offers several options to export configuration files based on your needs. You can export the full system configuration, export specific parameters only, export only the system information, or export just the voltage control parameters. This is useful when you want to make a partial backup or share only a specific section of the configuration. Once you've selected the desired option, click Export, and the system will generate a file that you can save to a local folder on your computer. This way, you'll have a secure backup of your current configuration. This process is especially helpful for tracking changes, backing up important settings, or even reusing the same configuration on other TAPCON units. It's important to note that not all export formats can be imported back into the TAPCON. The only format accepted for import is .rhp. And just like that, that's how you import and export configurations on the TAPCON 230 Basic.